This 2022 Jayco Eagle HT312 BHOK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 38 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco Eagle HT312 BHOK is 9,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.